Hello, good morning, everyone. You say good morning, everyone.
Today we're going to play pictures.
Pictures? Mommy will sing Tagalog song. Oh.
Okay, now I'll sing.
Sad Tagalog song.
Hey!
Okay. Are you ready? Look at your hair. Hair, messy hair, don't care. Takes so long. Di ko alam kung tama ba ito. Lilisan ako upang maintindihan ko ang puwang sa puso at isipan. Do you sing Tagalog?
Yeah.
Kailangan gawin, ngunit masasaktan. Iiwasan kong landas nating pinagdaanan. Pipilitin kong kalimutan ka. Hanggang dito na lang, pili ko mang ipaglaban ating pagmamahalan. Ito'y baliwala sapagkat ako'y iniwan. Hanggang dito na lang, pilit ko mang ipaglaban. Alam kong hanggang dito na lang. Thanks everyone. Have a good morning. Just say bye-bye.